Okay guys, welcome back to my video. This is Devlog 1 of making my game, which I already have everything important. I like the default one for the color changing. I don't use a normal one, which I made a tutorial if you want to use it, like put your own player model into your game. But I'm going to be adding cosmetics to my game. So yeah, let's get started with this devlog. Here I'm just gonna be like voiceovering, but right here I'm trying to find like how to add cosmetics, but in the video I didn't get to add cosmetics because it kind of glitched. But skip to this time right here if you don't want to see me fail adding cosmetics. So yeah, but yeah, I'm just watching Be Awesome's tutorial video. So yeah, have fun just watching me doing this. I'm gonna also do other things, so yeah, that's that. But yeah. Okay, so here you're probably confused of what I'm doing. I'm just creating like a wardrobe thing for no exact reason. But yeah, let me just like create this for no reason. But yeah, here I'm trying to add like the button things where you put the buttons and stuff, but I'm putting the ground for the wardrobe. And then I'm like basically just trying to add like where you can select your cosmetics that you want to put on. But yeah, I didn't get to do it because it kind of glitched out and it's not like right for my game. So yeah. Okay, so I'm trying to add the button things right there. So yeah, and I'm adding the materials that I like. So yeah, for no exact reason. Once again, I just dropped my headphones, but that's fine because I'm not using them right now. But yeah. There I got the hat model. Then I just put it right there so it shows what hat you're gonna wear. But really, it didn't work, so yeah. So right there, I'm just watching the tutorial a little bit. I still have those tags and stuff because you need to have them to add hand taps, which I added hand taps. But yeah, now I'm just trying to put that in, but it keeps on saying that, and I keep on trying, but it doesn't work how I want it to. I just thought it was like the material, but it wasn't, so I just discarded the whole cosmetics thing. But yeah, then I added this, which was just redoing the whole entire wardrobe thing. But sadly, it didn't work again. But yeah, I just had fun watching me spend all my time for no reason. But yeah, I just tried to redo this, but it still didn't work, so yeah. Once again, I'm just adding the buttons for no reason, but yeah. Okay, and then it keeps on doing that, and I noticed there was an error. And yeah, I got this, and I was like, oh my goodness, why do I always have to do this when I was just trying to delete the thing? And I didn't just have to delete one thing, I had to delete all the like changed cosmetics things because yeah, I was gonna just edit on change left, but it was on all of them, so I just had to delete them, and then everything went back to normal. So yeah, then I just deleted those. So yeah, then I tried to add a starting name, but that was pretty boring, so I didn't like do that because all of his scripts just gave my game an error. but it wasn't boring. Just like all of his scripts just gave my game an error, so I couldn't do it. And it just wouldn't work, so I couldn't do Be Awesome's tutorials, and I couldn't add a starting name, so I just added a computer, which I try to find like in the Discord. I try to find like a good script, and I found FPS display, but I didn't know. I forgot what YouTuber that was, but I thought it was p1.px. But he also taught me. But then I was scrolling down and I found Code Computer, which I put that in my game. So yeah, I'll put his channel in the description for credits. So yeah, just watch me just do this. If you get, yeah, if you, yeah, okay. So here I'm just trying to like find what Discord server it was, but I wasn't in. Well, I was in it, just like I was in the wrong Discord server. So I went to the Discord server that is his, and then I added the Code Computer, and then yeah, I just started doing that. So yeah. Okay, so here I'm just watching the tutorial, but he just left me off, so I just imported that, and then it just worked. So yeah, and then I just imported the colors I like, and then it worked. Like the materials worked for the computer. So yeah. So right there, I had to select all of it, and then just added that. So that material. Okay, so I'm adding all that, and yeah. So then I selected all that, and then I just added the colors. So yeah, I added the colors I liked, and then I tried it, and everything worked perfectly. So yeah, and then I had to go to my Photon Manager, or I had to make that like actually visual so you could see it, and it worked. And then I just joined. Then I just clicked on join, and that worked. So I think you can join codes and stuff. I'm pretty sure you can. I had to remove that, but and I put that back on, like the join something, but it still didn't work. So that's a sad thing. But yeah, so I had to click on that. Then I just made yeah, you'll see, because I don't wanna like tell you guys, and like I just don't want to like spoil it to you guys. So yeah. Then I tried it again, but the server, that just disabled the server, so I had to enable it again. But then I tried to find out how to add a join random button, but sadly it didn't work too. So yeah, then I found how to add socials to your Gorilla Tag fan game, so I just duplicated a button. But first I added join code 1 to play with people, but there's no numbers on the keyboard, so I just did A. But then I made the A like capital, so they know it's that. Yeah. And then I tried adding like a finger pointer thing on the spear, but sadly it didn't work, because it would just fling me back, and plus it would just make me stand up like weird. And also the spears didn't have like the turning thing, so that wouldn't work. But I changed it in the video. I just disabled it in the video. Yeah, The reason why I'm speaking like this because I'm really tired. It's like it's been like it's been an hour editing this video. So yeah, but and also I spent like 30 minutes on this video and like updating this, and also on the game I spent 3 hours like trying to get the whole idea of the game before I started recording. I was recording before, but I lost the recording. It was gonna be like a scary gorilla tag horror game, but sadly I couldn't get the monster AI to work and stuff, so I just made it like a cool game, chill game. Yeah. Then I tried getting then I got the open URL thing, and then I just put the open URL inside of there. Then I got my YouTube channel URL. I'm gonna blur this. I'm gonna blur this out because I don't want you guys to see all the personal stuff I have on there for like the stuff. But yeah, then I'm trying to find out how to do it and stuff. But I try to find did he put the YouTube icon there, but I just had to get one from there, but I didn't even use it anymore, so I just put a text on it that said YouTube page. But yeah, this is me trying to find one, which I got one, but it messed up, so I just went to find another one, which was that one. Then I did that, and then I made a PNG file, but it still wouldn't work, so I had to make a different one 2 times. Yeah, I'm blurring this out because I don't want you guys to see my name is in my files because it's on the cloud thing, whatever. But yeah, then I imported, but it didn't work again, so I had to do it this is the second time I had to do it. So yeah, then I just named this something weird. I don't sad, whatever. But yeah, I did it, but it didn't turn out how I wanted it to be, so I really just added a text to it, and you couldn't see the text, so I just discarded the YouTube material, and then I just yeah, just did that. Then I did page, and then I tried to scale it, but it wasn't a good idea because it would look small. So yeah, I named it that, then I put the text on there, and then made sure it was on the right button. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.